Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix screen dimming in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on display and brightness, and then here you can see the option adaptive brightness. If you turn on your adaptive brightness, then turn it off. After turn off your adaptive brightness, then turn off your dark mode, and here you can turn on your dark theme, then turn it off. After turn off your dark theme, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.